If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Sport in billet silver. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Bluetooth streaming audio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 40026B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.